Hi guys, in previous video, which is number 4163, correct? We've used the option to install Plasma with the minimal. Again, it's important to tell you that if you choose Plasma, don't choose ArcoNet, right? But here is the installation of Plasma with ArcoNet. It has some pitfalls and it has makes some things more difficult sometimes, but okay, anything is possible as long as you have knowledge. So 4163 gives you that knowledge. Now in columnars in the ArcoNet Advanced, we have two lines, an Arco, a Plasma minimal and a Plasma full, I think I've called it. But basically it's the full means all the meta packages, and we're gonna have a look what these are, and we're gonna go of course to the Arch Wiki Plasma and have a look. So if you say I'm gonna go for Arco Plasma, guys, please use the Arco Plasma ISO, and say I would like to have BSP WM or Chat WM or Qtile or any of the guys, right? Arch Linux Tweak Tool, select, install, done, and you have also a tiling winner manager next to Plasma. Let's see at the installation, at the choice that we can make here. So have a look at all the other installation videos. So I'm skipping the text here a little bit because we've explained already all these elements, all these desktops and tiling winner manager. We are now here. So all of these videos have been created, and each time I explain something different. I talk about open box and I talk about Arch Merge, how everything started. In ArcoLinux, it started with Arch Labs. That's the original, or the origin, before Arch Merge and then ArcoLinux. So Plasma Full, Plasma Minimal, those are the names I've chosen. Basically, here's a lot of meta stuff. And if, well, we could have a look later on, what is a meta thing, right? What is a meta thing? And it also provides all our stuff. These are things that we've created that we want to have. Key bindings, which means Ctrl-T, Ctrl-E, Arch Linux Tweak Tool, and so on. Some themes to make it easy to have a beautiful and quickly fast. I have to open the door. Somebody is ringing at the door. All right, so let's continue. Desktop Plasma Full. So a lot of packages, a lot of downloads. Fast internet, okay, probably no issue at all, but yeah, certainly a stable internet. There can't be any mistakes, huh? So choose your keyboard, erase everything. Let's take something else again. Let's take this. Next. No, that's the password. Yep. All right, cool. Next, install, install. And then off we go to the internet. Ctrl-Alt-F, Firefox. Arch Wiki Plasma. We've been there. This time I type Plasma instead of KDE, and you end up in KDE. So there's a Plasma meta package, Plasma package group, Plasma meta. Let's see, Control find meta. How much metas do we have? Is there any reference to it? This is the one that brings in lots of applications. This one and this one. So if you type this in, sudo pacman -skde applications, you get all of that in. And people were always angry with us because, hey, we don't want all these games and what is all this? I didn't ask for, but it's part of a package, right? Kcal, Atomic, there is so much in here. Capman, clone of the well-known game Pac-Man. So there's so much in here, but if you don't know the application, you get 188 packages in extra. So in this setup, we do that. You'll see everything. So both of them, this one as well, that's applications meta, and then you go to the package, view the full list, nothing there. Oh yeah, so here we have all the meta packages. All these guys are being installed, and every single meta package, you can open it again, and then you know, for education, algebra, canogram, geography, hangman. So here we get a lot of, well, a few games certainly, but educational games. So that's what's happening. You have selected a lot of meta packages. Around here, they will be downloaded and installed, all of them. All right, all of them. And that's certainly something to remember, that when the word meta, let's see if we can find the page, Arch, Wiki, meta, and group. Somewhere there's a page where it explains what it is. Let's make this bigger. I hate looking at this now because I want to read together with you on a big screen. So display 1920,080, apply, sure, close. Let's try to read it again. I've read it maybe 20 times. It's still not so clear what the difference is between a meta package and a group package. Can be defined by the packager, so the guy who makes the package build to denote a set of related packages. Both can allow to install or uninstall this set of packages simultaneously by using the meta package or the group name as a substitute for each individual package names. So here we get the explanation how to build it. The difference between meta package and a package group is that a meta package is empty and exists purely to link related packages together via dependencies. Okay, let me show you that. We have meta packages, sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux meta. We have them, right? Those are examples. Now the meta packages are here. Meta. These are all the meta packages, right? And what is a meta package? It's nothing more than, which one will I take? The meta fun. Let's make a little bit of publicity about the meta fun. So we have a package, ArcoLinux meta fun, and we have a date, so 2023 in June. I've built this package, and what it does is it's empty, they say, right? It's an empty package. That one. Where was it? It's empty and exists purely to link related packages together via dependencies. Exactly that is done. I've linked it via dependencies, that if you want to type sudo fun thing here, then you'll get this in. All of this will be installed because I was missing ASCII Aquarium, I guess. No, I don't have it. So because of the package, I will install this one and that one and that one. If it's missing, you know what we can do? btop is not there, right? btop is something I like. Okay, btop, that's this. It's beautiful, it's nice, but it also has our configuration. That's why it's nice. So maybe we should add our own script then again as well, and that's the ArcoLinux. Let's have a look. Sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux btop setting. That's the name. So ArcoLinux btop git. So this is a meta package, and a meta package is going to install all of this because of the dependencies. So now I'll make a new one. 2024, we're June, first package, save, stop. So this is the meta package. I build it, so you see a little bit of workflow behind the scenes. We build it in Shroot. Have a look at Shroot Arch Linux. So let's go back to here. Arch ArcoLinux root, let's see what we get, and you read this page. Basically, we're building in a little bubble, in a folder, protected from the rest, all the configs in order, all the settings in order, right? And then we can install it. So that's now in a certain folder on the repo. I push it to the repo, and in a few minutes time you'll get the new package in. You'll see 2401, and it will contain an extra dependencies to btop and our configuration. Remember, configurations, they go in etc, so you need to drag it to your own home directory to have an effect. But yes, btop will be installed. Okay, so that's explaining meta packages. I don't think I've built any group packages. Meta package often, though not always, title with a meta. So I followed the reasoning, and so that Plasma meta, the same reasoning there. Let's use, well, follow the guidelines here. Provides similar functionality to package group in that it enables multiple related packages to be installed or uninstalled simultaneously. Each solution has advantages and disadvantages. A meta package can be installed just like any other package. Yeah, you see me do that, or almost do that. Can be removed like any other package, like R and RS. So a new member package, btop, will be installed and ArcoLinux will be installed. Users cannot choose which meta package dependency they wish to know. It's one go, in one go everything is installed. Cannot remove meta package dependency without having to uninstall the meta package itself. Now we have the group thing. Prompt users to select the package from the group. One of the group packages, I think, is, for example, sudo pacman -s xfce 4. If I'm not right, please correct me, right, and say it in the goodies. So here we have to tell him, do we want it? There are 50 members in group. Do we want it? Yes. Do we want it? Yes. If I say one more yes, right, it's going to be installed. Will prompt users to select the packages from the group that they wish to install. Installing packages groups. GNOME, for example, belong to group of packages, or back here. -R. Still, it eludes me what the big difference is, or an advantage or disadvantage is. But maybe somebody can point me to an article that explains it to me. How is it installing? Whoa, we're done. So this is the full Plasma. All the meta packages installed. I'll show you all the apps, but I'm not gonna test all the apps. There's so much there I've never seen, never tested before. But there might be something that, hey, that triggers me. I want to have that. I want to test this. I want to test that. So again, we got this whitish look. Let's make the display a bit bigger. Display was at the top. It was at the top. Here it is. And then this one, that one. Design is not nice, I know. That's why we keep telling you, use Arco Plasma ISO. Okay, once more in the video. Design wise, we can do something. That's already something. So display, design, color management, wallpapers, colors and themes. Where is the global theme? I had it. I saw it, but it's gone. Ew. Let's go to the home. So little home there. That's easier maybe. And let's take this one now. Keep clicking till it applies. This is something I like. Darker. What was I going to do? Well, go over everything. Eh? So, this is what we get. Servicia, CVS frontend. Never done it. Arconet console. Okay, add template. And we can go on, right? Let's just scroll through it so you see. And maybe you say, ah, what's that? UML modular. Not gonna be for any time soon, but the games for the kids. Blinken, Cantor, Algebra, Calcium, Canogram, Geography, Marble, Virtual Globe. So many things I haven't tested yet. Music here. Right? Games, a lot of games, long list of games. So yes, if you want to put your child in front of the computer, why not Plasma? And then give them all the games. Sudoku. Maybe the grandmothers, right? The mothers who like to play solitaire. Get rid of Windows, put them in front of Plasma and give them solitaire, mahjong. Okay, patience, patience. So those are all the games, all the graphic stuff. Ariana, ebook reader. There is Calibre, it's not installed. There's so many apps that can do the trick. And it's all free, it's like so free. Casts, postcasting, never done that. KDE Connect, that's something that I've done with the mobile. Okay, get this here, okay, mail, lots of things, K-Trip, never done it. Right, so much things to have a look at. So have fun with Plasma and all these meta packages. All right, utilities. Francis, Denou, calm breathing techniques. Calm, yeah, I get it. Calm breathing techniques. Okay. Speech synthesizer front end. Okay. Tea cooker. I mean, on it goes. Each time I read this, I think, oh my god. I've only seen half of it, if that much. So that's your Plasma. Your Plasma full, all the meta packages, Ctrl-T. So you got Pacman, minus remove S. Plasma, can we see something? Not really. So we'll have to type actually. KDE. Here we have some. KDE Games Meta, KDE Graphics Meta. So if we don't want the games, for example, KDE Games Meta, then this is what you do. And it says, you can't do that because it's required by something else. Sure, then we say KDE Applications Meta, that one as well. Right? It all gets killed in one go. Or no. And yeah, it's already okay. So the S is already there. If you do an R, that's that, right? That's not what you want. You want, no, you want the RS. You want to remove all applications for games in this case. But see what happens. It's removing Yakuake. That's not good, right? That's the F12 drop down terminal. So yeah, you have to keep an eye on these removal things. Spectacle, I don't want that to be removed as well. That's making images. And I guess if you hear the background noise, it's time to stop the video. The workmen are busy. Ocular, again, something I want to keep. So there you go. So RS. All right, enjoy.